In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate in Smartsheet effortlessly. If you're looking to streamline your tasks and boost your productivity, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps to set up automation workflows in Smartsheet, which can save you time and reduce manual effort for repetitive tasks. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to access the Automation Builder. Start by opening up the sheet you want to automate. Once there, you'll see an option labeled Automation at the top of the interface. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a choice. Either pick Create from Template or Create from Scratch. These options provide you with the flexibility to either start with a predefined template or build a custom workflow tailored to your unique needs. Now that you've opened the Automation Builder, it's time to build a workflow using visual blocks. This process is both intuitive and versatile. You'll construct your workflow using a simple yet powerful format: trigger, condition, and action. This means you'll set up a trigger that kicks off your workflow, define specific conditions to refine your automation's behavior, and finally, designate an action that occurs as a result. You'll notice a plus icon that allows you to add branches, creating paths for additional conditions or actions. This branching logic means your automation can be as simple or as complex as your process requires. Next, let's focus on how to choose the right triggers, conditions, and actions to effectively automate your tasks. Triggers are events that set your workflow in motion. Common examples include changes to a row, the addition of a new row, or even specific date-based events. It's crucial to select a trigger that aligns with the point at which you want your automation to begin. Once the trigger is set, you'll move on to defining conditions. Conditions help refine your process by ensuring actions are performed only when certain criteria are met. For instance, you might specify a condition like only if status equals complete. This ensures your actions happen at precisely the right moment when your data meets your specified criteria. Finally, let's discuss actions. Actions are what happen as a result of your trigger and conditions. There are numerous options available, including sending alerts, making update or approval requests, moving or copying rows to different locations, changing cell values, and even recording dates. Choose actions that help you automate the manual tasks you'd like to eliminate from your daily routine. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can set up a precise, customized automation process in Smartsheet. This powerful tool not only helps you save time, but also enhances the accuracy and consistency of your work. So why wait? Go ahead, experiment, and see how these automations can transform your workflow in Smartsheet today.